In this video, we'll provide an overview of the Export Data function to export selected data to Excel. Export data will export whatever data elements are in your current selected layout. However, typically you will want to pick data items to export. This can be done via Set Custom Layout. There is a separate video tutorial which looks at Set Custom Layout. In this video, we will select one that we prepared earlier. To use previously saved layout, select Layout and click Next. You are returned to the View Data screen, only now you are viewing only the data elements defined in My Layout. From here, we simply click the Export Data link. All exports from the Cityscope platform are distributed via email. Check and change the username portion of the email address if necessary. Note, you can't change the email domain. This is set up as part of your account configuration. Add some extra text to the email subject that will help you identify the exported data later on. By default, one line of data will be exported per property. This means that in Excel you'll end up with one row of the data per property, which makes working in Excel easy. There is an option to export multiple lines of data per property. When this setting is selected, a single property will appear across multiple rows in the exported Excel spreadsheet. In this example, we'll stick to the default 1 rows of data per property. To perform the export, click Export. The Cityscope platform provides messaging confirming the export was completed and that the email has been sent. You will also see a list of fields exported and the status of the export. There are very few restrictions on exports, but if for some reason the data item cannot be exported, it will be indicated here. Once you've received the email into your inbox, follow the Click Here to access Download Exported File and save the file to your desktop. The exported file contains data selected for all the properties in the active list. In cases where the number of property records exceed 1,000, there is a slight variation on the export process. Where the number of property records exceeds 1,000, exports are completed in blocks of 1,000 records. Where the number of property records exceeds 1,000, exports are completed in blocks of 1,000 records. To export the first 1,000 records, click Export. The Cityscope platform provides messaging confirming the export was completed and that the email has been sent. To do the next block of 1,000, click Next. You will notice the system has now retrieved the next block of 1,000 records. Click Export again.